Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. Okay, let's come again to question answer series of lesson 3 of class 3. Let's begin. The class 3 chapter 3 full description of Tux Paint you can take from playlist section. This series is only for question and answer exercise back questions. Let's begin. Let's find out the question and answer part. Chalo chale. Ting ting ting. Yay, come on. Section A. Filling the blanks. We can draw various dash and dash polygonal shapes using the tool. The answer is filled and unfilled. Number 2. Dash tool gives the raised design effect to an object from the surface that you have. The answer is emboss. Third, that magic effect is used to differentiate the edges from the already drawn images. The answer is edge. The dash effect draws a train of rainbow colors as you draw the mouse drawing area. The answer is rainbow. In Tux Paint, dash helps you to know more various tools. The answer is penguin. Students, अगर आपको विजन में, आपको वीडियो में दिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो आप मेरी वॉइस अच्छे से सुनिए, उसी से आप पढ़ सकते हैं अगर दिक्कत आ रही हो तो. Now comes true and false. Mosaic tool lightens the color of an object. What is it? True or false? The answer is false. We have no option to choose a picture as a starting background of a new file. The answer is false. The real rainbow effect draws a similar kind of rainbow that we see in the sky. The answer is true. Rosette effect tool is used to draw a pattern in the shape of rose. True. Tux Paint is translated only in 12 languages. Sixth is Tux Paint is a free software. True. Now comes match the following. The smudge tool is this. Number 1 is written here. Drift effect is this. 2 is written here. Rainbow effect is this. Foam effect is this. Grass effect is this. You can see the mouse and the numbering is being done. Edges. This is the 6th one. Now section B, multiple choice questions. We can create a differing effect of wet paints using the dash effects of magic tool. The answer is drip. Dash effects adds vertical wavy effect in our picture. The answer is wavelets. There are dash different background colors and pictures available in the Tux Paint. The answer is 47. Dash is the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. The answer is Bill Clinton nahi, Bill Kendrick. Which of the following tool is used to create freehand patterns? The answer is kaleidoscope. Now the B part, answer the following. List any 3 features of Tux Paint. You will be able to get many features from the theory chapter. The theory chapter is available in our playlist under the name of Class 3 playlist. Okay, please go there and see the full chapter because this is the video for only question and answer and the back series and the back exercise of class 3 chapter 3 Tux Paint. Let's start again. List any 3 features of Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot which helps about tools. Tux Paint increases creativity of students. Number 2, explain the use of Edge tool. It is a unique feature. Using this tool, we can differentiate the edges from an already drawn images. What is the use of drip magic effect? When water is sprinkled on drawing made with sketch pen or ink pen, the ink or color sprinkles scattered and drip away like water. How is the wave effect different from wavelets in the Tux Paint? This effect is used to winger any picture side by side horizontal. वेव इफेक्ट क्या होता है? हॉरिजॉन्टल साइड बाय साइड होता है और वेवलेट्स क्या होता है? अप टू डाउन. देखो मैंने इमेज भी बना रखी है. ऐसे ऐसे वाला जो इफेक्ट होता है वो होता है वेव इफेक्ट. ऐसे ऐसे वाला जो इफेक्ट होता है वो है अप टू डाउन. नाउ द डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन रेनबो एंड द रियल रेनबो इफेक्ट. दिस full answer you will got on page number 25. Please go to the playlist for this video and I will put this video in the I button and the comment box and the description box and see the answer on page number 25. Now question number 6 also you can go to page number 28 for more details. This tool is used to create freehand patterns. I have not written all this here because it's a big answer and moreover you have to read a book for more details. For book reading, for knowing the explanation, please go to the playlist of class 3 books. I hope this video is beneficial and thank you for asking about exercise. And we have completed the class 2 exercise book full and now we are doing the class 3 and so on. Class 4, 5, 6 will be soon uploaded. You are asking for class 6 also, but we are going step by step. Class 2 is completed, class 3 is going on, class 4 is on the way and so on. Last but not the least, thank you so much for all the support and thank you so much for telling the requirements so that we can make our channel more worthy for all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So much gratitude from the Ruble Solutions to all of you. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will always help the channel to grow. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Love, love.